Good morning. As you begin this day, take a moment to center yourself and connect with the present moment. So find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, with your hands gently resting on your lap. Allow your eyes to close softly, or if you prefer, keep a soft gaze towards the floor. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly, releasing any tension from your body. Now start by bringing your awareness to your breath. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils, cool and fresh. And then notice the warmth as you exhale. And with each breath, imagine drawing in positive energy, filling your body with light and warmth. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any stress or negativity, allowing it to dissolve into the air around you. Now gently bring your attention to the top of your head. With each breath, let go of any tension you might be holding there. Slowly move your awareness down to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Just let your jaw hang loose and limp. Soften each area, releasing any tightness you find. So continue this gentle scan down your neck and shoulders, feeling the weight of the world melting away with each exhale. Now move your focus to your chest, feeling it rise and fall with your breath. Allow the rhythm of your breath to create a sense of calm and stability within you. As you continue to breathe, let your awareness travel down to your belly, feeling it expand and contract with each breath. Notice the sensation of your body connecting with the surface beneath you, grounding you in the moment. Now focus on your legs, from your thighs all the way down to your knees. Release any tension you might be holding there. Continue down to your calves, your ankles, and finally your feet. Imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet deep into the earth, anchoring you, providing you with a strong foundation. Now visualize these roots reaching deeper into the earth, grounding you, connecting you with the natural energy of the planet. Feel the stability and strength that comes from this connection. You are part of something larger, something constant and unwavering. As you breathe in, imagine drawing up this earth energy, letting it fill your entire being with a sense of peace and security. Allow this connection to remind you that you're supported, that you're stable, and that no matter what comes your way today, you have this solid foundation to return to. Feel this connection in every part of your body, from your feet up to the top of your head. Now that you're grounded and connected, take a moment to set an intention for your day. What quality would you like to bring to your life today? Perhaps it's peace, patience, joy, or even clarity. Whatever it is, visualize this quality as a warm, glowing light within your heart. With each breath, see this light growing brighter, expanding throughout your body, filling you with this positive energy. Imagine yourself carrying this light with you throughout your day. See yourself encountering various situations and notice how this quality helps you navigate them with ease and grace. Trust that this intention will guide you, providing you with the strength and clarity you need to make today a positive experience. As you prepare to bring this meditation to a close, take a few final deep breaths. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, Gently stretch your body, and when you're ready, open your eyes, carrying with you a sense of calm, grounding, and positive energy you've cultivated today. Good work today, and namaste.